In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to make your Twitter account private. So all you need to do is on your phone, either Android or iOS, simply launch the Twitter application and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. That opens up this menu. Tap on settings and support. And then under that, tap on settings and privacy. And that opens your settings page. On your settings page, somewhere here, you should see privacy and safety. Tap on that. And then at the top, you should see audience and tagging. Tap on that. And then you'll see an option to protect your tweets. This is basically making your Twitter account private. You can see it says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So that's basically making your account private. So go ahead and turn on that toggle button, and that makes your Twitter account private. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.